All right, hey guys, I'm Rob from Cop Tool. We're back here at the GIE Expo here in Louisville, Kentucky. And for the very first time ever, we decided to stop by the Ego booth. We heard they're doing amazing things. So we're gonna kind of come in on our own. We'll see if we can't find somebody to talk to us about it. Follow me. Hey, wait a minute. Dan!
What's up? No, my name's Barnaby, man.
You're not, he's not Barnaby.
I'm Barnaby.
Okay, he's Barnaby. Fine, Barnaby.
Wait, who you guys with?
We're Cop Tool.
I might have heard of you guys, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're that cool news channel.
Sure, yeah,
no,
that's
we
it.
Have. Yeah, we're big fans, you know.
All right,
we
good.
Get some of our stuff put on it, but you never come over here. So.
Well, we're here today. We're here to
really?
see Ego today. Yeah.
All right, sweet. You want to see some stuff?
I do. So can you show us something new from Ego?
Well, I'm not supposed to show this, but I will show the latest and greatest. We have a flux capacitor technology that we've put into our backpack blower that you never, ever have to charge or anything. Now, they say flux capacitor, but I think it's more of like a mini nuclear reactor because you're not supposed to like drop it or have it around kids.
Okay, Barnaby, we get it. Can you show it to us?
Come on, I'll show you. All right. So here it is. I haven't really been trained on it yet, but all I know is it's got a button. There's no inputs whatsoever. You don't have to put any fuel in it ever. And
This is a flux capacitor?
flux capacitor
Dan,
technology.
What are you doing?
Yeah, what
I
to do?
cannot take you anywhere.
I knew he was Dan.
What's he doing with the Ego guns on?
Every time.
Wait a minute.
Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Every time.
What
Get him
an
outta here.
imposter.
This is Barnaby, the real Barnaby.
With the real hair, not that hair.
Barnaby, thank you so much for talking with us. We appreciate it. We're really
Oh, no
hoping you know
problem.
more about Ego stuff than that guy did.
You were believing him?
No, not really.
Oh, come on.
All right, so we understand that there's some new Ego commercial series. What can you tell us about?
I can tell you that it takes the legendary qualities of Ego, all the power, performance of gas, right? But now we've got the super runtime that commercial guys have been asking for, right? So this is the heart of the system right here. This is the backpack battery. This is, I guess, if you use the residential stuff at this point, a 7.5 amp hour battery is the biggest battery we make, right? This is 28 amp hours, right? So 4 times the runtime. You're gonna get up to 7 hours of runtime out of this battery pack. And it's just so well designed. It weighs less than a gas backpack blower on your back. It's got an awesome harness that's gonna be really comfortable so you can wear it all day long. As far as the elements go, it's IP56, so you could hit it up with a garden hose, you can hit it up with a Saharan dust storm, no problem.
So I don't have to necessarily stop as soon as it starts raining.
No, you can power right through it, right? And it's got all the power. As far as recharge time goes, it's going to be boost charge about 3.5 hours. If you just had to, switch out batteries, or overnight charge 7 hours, that's going to be the slow cook. And look at this. I mean, we think of everything. We even have a USB charging port right here because what landscaper doesn't want like the jams going, right?
Of course.
Gotta
You gotta keep
powered
the
up.
phone charged.
Absolutely. So we've got a heavy duty umbilical cord right here. And so this, did I hear Dan say something about a flux capacitor?
He did.
Yeah.
Is that the flux capacitor?
It's almost like what was in Back to the Future. You plug it right in to any one of 3 tools that we have right now. We've got this awesome blower, 600 CFM in a handheld, right? So you simply plug it in, light it up. So this button right here is going to be your speed control. You can go on low,
that, yep.
whisper quiet, bump it up a little bit, bump it up a little bit. And watch the recoil when I hit turbo. I mean, it just goes back. It's crazy. So all the power of gas. In fact, we compared this to a gas handheld blower, and there's a thing called newtons, right? So it's going to be airspeed coming out of the tube, but also volume coming out of the tube. You put it into a formula. We have 20 newtons. Gas handheld has 14. Wah wah, right? It's not
Right.
happening. Yeah, so this is going to go over 6 hours on a charge, right? So then you pop this out.
This small backpack's gonna keep that running for 6 hours.
Yeah. And so a lot of the commercial guys, it's interesting, they go, well, how much is that doggy in the window, right? So we say it's about $1,200. With the harness, it's going to be closer to 14. So they're going like, wow, that's a lot of money up front. But if we just simply tell them it's going to cost them $100 a year to charge it for 6-day-a-week use, they are running right now with one gas handheld blower almost $2,000 in gas costs. One tool. I mean, it's crazy, right? So you're going to make back your money. You're going to get this and a tool and about $100 saved in a year's time.
That's amazing.
Totally amazing.
I get it
right?
now. Yeah, I do. I get it.
Look at this.
Trimmer.
Dangerous looking. Yes, sir. Stand back. This is, I mean, these twigs the size of sausages, right? I mean, that's a 1 1/3 inch cut capacity. I mean, it's got dual blades, right? And it's got laser cut diamond ground blades, stay sharp blades, easily serviceable. on the underside right here, serviceable gearbox. This guy is going to go 7 hours. 7 hours.
On the backpack.
Yeah, totally. And it's just, the D handle gives you good articulation this way and that. And the thing of it is, guys that are currently running gas hedge trimmers, when they're doing it, they're up like this. And I mean, it's all going in their face, into their lungs. It's just brutal. I mean, there is no reason to buy a gas hedge trimmer. Here we have the string trimmer.
That is nice.
Yeah, it is. It's totally nice. Because again, I've been talking to commercial crews all day long here, just simply about how they can extend their workday. It's so quiet, right? I mean, you can be first thing in the morning, last thing at night, doing schools, hospitals, wherever, in and out, when the competition is waiting for the magic hour of 10 o'clock in the morning when most people allow power tools to crank.
Right.
Right, it's got a carbon fiber shaft. It's got an easily adjustable handle here. You snap this, you can slide it up and down for various crews. I'm on the wrong side right now, but the brush guard is right here. It's got a brushless motor, durable aluminum housing. This guy's gonna run 6+ hours on a single charge. On the business end, it's got 095 line, but it also can accept up to 105. So I mean, what more do you want in life? All the power and performance gas, extended runtime, 2-year commercial warranty, bulletproof, stem to stern. I mean, it's just a big innovation. I think a lot of people have been waiting for it, and it's here now.
That's exciting. So I'm gonna take one of these backpacks. I'm gonna put it on for 7 hours. I'm gonna be switching through the different tools that I need.
Yeah.
Get the job entirely done. Do the entire day's work with one backpack.
Absolutely.
That's remarkable.
Yeah, one crew, one battery, right? Just have the guy, he can switch all the tools around.
I see why everybody's excited about Ego.
Oh, I tell you what, I've been with this company for 5 years now. I run all the stuff at home. My son has 10 lawn mowing accounts. We've used the same mower, blower, string trimmer, and snow blower for all these years. 40 years worth of actual homeowner use on original equipment. It's still running like the day we got it.
Thank you so much, Barnaby. We appreciate it. Guys, this is the real Barnaby here. I don't know where the imposter went,
Well,
but
Dan is
thank
younger,
you.
potentially better looking with a little bit of cosmetic surgery, but still.
Thanks so much for everybody. Thanks to TI for helping us out today. We will see you guys next time. Don't worry, we got a bunch more coming from the GIE Expo here in Louisville, Kentucky, so stick around.